Right guys, I've had a few people message asking if I could upload a mock test video but without a voiceover of the faults. So instead you guys can have a go at guessing the faults. I'm not going to upload a full video, but here are 8 clips from this week's mock driving test with learner driver Ken. Let's find out how good your driving knowledge is and if you can spot the faults. I'm going to choose one winner who will get free access to the ultimate driving course and a £20 Amazon voucher. In each clip, there will be either a minor fault, a serious fault, or good driving. So let's see if you can spot what happens in each clip. If you could comment in this kind of format: clip 1, serious; clip 2, minor; clip 3, good driving, and so on. The full driving test video will be uploaded this Sunday, so you have until then to enter, as obviously that video will have the answers. And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left, please.
Okay.
Thank you. And at this roundabout, go straight ahead, please.
Straight ahead.
If you could turn left, please. It's just before these lights.
Just before the light.
Yeah. Just where that car's turning.
Yeah.
Can you stop? Okay, so yours again.
Okay.
At the end of the road, if you could turn right, please.
Okay.
Okay, carry on, carry on, carry on. At the end of the road, turn right.
Turn right.
Okay, at this mini roundabout, turn right.
Turn right.
Second exit. clutch down, turn the key. That's it. Select first gear and carry on. So that's it, guys. Did you get all 8 correct? Well, we'll find out on Sunday, where I'll be commenting with the correct answer, and like I said earlier, selecting the winner. And like always, guys, if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on Sunday.